Sa gitna po. Mga bata, sa labas na lang po muna tayo. Magsisimula na po. Bawal po muna kayo dyan. Sa labas po muna kayo.
Ya, bola ya.
Bawal po kayo dyan. Labas kayo, labas. Okay, mag-usap-usap pala kayo sa po dyan. Okay, para nakakilala kayo ha. Master. Good spin the ball. Seconds of the shot clock. Outside. Bruce, metal ball. Seconds of the shot clock. 1, 2, 3. First started is 9 minutes and 4 seconds. 80 seconds of the shot clock. Score 3-2 in favor of Bruce Metal. Score 5-2. All sudden is 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Seconds of the shot clock. Outside. Loose metal ball. 8 seconds of the shot clock. Outside. Loose metal ball. Alright, 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Score 5-2 in favor of Bruce Metal. 19 seconds of the shot clock. 14 seconds of the shot clock. Foul. Coming. Traveling. Oras natin is 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Score 7-2 in favor of Bruce Metal. 20 seconds of the shot clock. 60 seconds of the shot clock. Score 9-2 in favor of Bruce Metal. Horizontal is 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Eva Angol. Outside. Eva Angol. 17 seconds of the shot clock. 17 seconds. Basket. Score 9-6 in favor of Bruce Metal. Foul. Palit player to, palit player. Who's fouled? Number 9. Second team foul of Eva. Shot clock, 18 seconds of the shot clock. Score 9-6 in favor of Bruce Metal.
Hand.
Score 11-6 in favor of Bruce Metal. Outside, Bruce Metal ball. Horizontal is 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Foul net. Foul number 4 by Bruce Metal. First team foul. Penalty. Penalty. And 2 free throw shots. Score 11-7 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras natin is 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Score 11-10. Oras 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Eva Angol. Horizontal is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Puro, stress. Score 15-11 in favor of Eva. Horizontal is 3 minutes. Shot clock, 18 seconds of the shot clock. Terus Medan. Score 17-11. Favor of Abraham. Time 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Shot clock. 16 seconds of the shot clock. Score 17-13. Oras 1 minute and 16 seconds. Oras 55 seconds. Score 17-15. Favor of Abraham. Outside Abraham ball. Oras 50 seconds. Cruz Metal ball. Oras natin is 39 seconds. All 17. Kick ball. Abraham ball. Oras natin is 36 seconds. Score 19-17 in favor of Cruz Metal. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. Foul. 18 seconds. Score 19-17. Seconds of the shot clock. 14 seconds. 11 seconds. 7 seconds of the shot clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Score natin is 21-17 in favor of Cruz Metal. Second quarter. Cruz Metal ball. Score 23-17 in favor of Cruz Metal. Shot clock 20 seconds of the shot clock. Uno, dos, tres. Score 23-20 in favor of Cruz Metal. 18 seconds of the shot clock. Seconds of the shot clock. Go basket, go basket. Traveling. Ebang ball. Oras 8 minutes and 50 25 seconds. Score 25-20 in favor of Bruce Metal. Eighty seconds of the shot clock. 1, 2, 3. Score 25-23 in favor of Bruce Metal. Shot clock, 18 seconds of the shot clock. Score 27-23. All 27. Oras natin is 7 minutes and 58 seconds. 70 seconds at the shot clock. Seconds of the shot clock. Foul. Foul, right? Who's foul? Number 15, fumble. First team foul. Score natin is 29-28 in favor of Bruce Metal. Uno, dos, tres. Score 32-28 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras natin is 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So, 34-28. Oras natin is 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Score 34-30. Offensive foul. Number 43. Score 34-30 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras natin is 6 minutes and 26 seconds. 70 seconds of the shot clock. Technical foul. Basket. Technical foul. Basket. Number 14. Number 14. Basket. Labas mo na, labas. Ano yan? Technical foul. Labas. Last shot, last shot. Pal-counting po yan, pal-counting. Last take lang po. Score! 13-30 in favor of Bruce Metal. Oras natin 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 14-30. Hey, seconds of the shot clock. 30 seconds. Jambon. Bola. Ibang po ang bola. Ano po natin mo? Committee timeout. Committee timeout tayo. Committee timeout.
Huwag ka lang lilipat yan. Lilipat ka lang.
Timeout, timeout po tayo. Timeout, committee, timeout. Timeout po tayo.